Many of us are using the Chinese Arduino UNO because it's cheap and can get the job done. However, when you try to use the RFID card reader, it doesn't work. It shows communication failure. Most forum discussions suggest buying an original Arduino. After experimenting for some time, I found the solution. It's easier than we might think. Moving only one cable will do the magic. Just move the positive wire from the 3.3 volt pin to the V-in pin. I know it doesn't make any sense, but if it's working, we are happy. Just like that, you can now enjoy your RFID card reader and create something awesome. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.